Moving down toward Cape Cod and the islands, we have a high wind warning there. There's a potential for wind gusts nearing 65 miles per hour and already a report of 66 miles per hour on Nantucket. It's all because of this incredibly strong storm sitting over the ocean, and lucky for us, it's far enough to our southeast that the impacts here are minimal as far as precipitation, but the circulation still bringing the force of that wind to our area, and that's something we'll feel through much of today, although the worst of it will be this morning. You're heading out, you're feeling that wind, you're also feeling a chill. We're below freezing, and for areas south of Boston that are waking up to a coating of snow, that means that slick roadways are a possibility, especially to travel farther southward along the South Shore down toward Cape Cod and the islands, where we actually had some reports of snowfall near an inch in Attleboro and East Bridgewater, closer to 2 inches moving toward Nantucket. This band of snow in place likely bringing an additional inch or two. So I move you through this timeline. You'll see some clouds in place this morning. We'll start to clear. The snow that's currently sitting over the Cape and Islands will continue to clear as well. I'm expecting things to dry out by around 8 o'clock this morning. So our additional snowfall on top of what has already fallen, just about an inch or two, that 2-inch mark closer for the mid to outer Cape and moving toward Nantucket. In Boston, no snow accumulation. We had some flurries. At this point, we're dealing with the clouds and the wind. 30 degrees, our wind chill down to 18 because of those wind gusts of about 30. Sunrise at 6:09, although not much sun to see. As we move the clocks forward tonight, that sunrise will jump to the 7 o'clock hour. Wind gusts right now, it's about 32 in Norwood, so you can see it's definitely the worst of the wind confined to the Cape coastline and moving down toward the Cape. Damaging wind, that's something I'm expecting through about noon today. After that point, it's still a gusty wind. We'll see occasional gusts near 30. Sun in place, temperatures running into the 40s, but that wind will make it feel cooler. So it is more of a wintry start to your weekend. It gets colder tonight as the wind starts to weaken. We drop into the 20s. So that's something to consider, especially for those of us that are dealing with some power outages down toward the South Coast, Cape and Islands this morning. It's a nicer outlook tomorrow, though. The wind calms down. We're in the 50s. Your pick of the week is Monday. Sunny and warm as high temperatures climb into the 60s. Not quite as warm for the rest of the week, but we're staying above average. And then the weather gets a little unsettled. It all kicks off with a storm system moving in on Tuesday evening. It looks weak, but it does look like our evening commute on Tuesday will be a little wet. This is pushing through and clearing out as we move toward Wednesday morning. So some changes ahead. Definitely some big temperature swings from today into tomorrow.